आज की वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ 16 जून आइल्स एग्ज़ाम राइटिंग टास्क 2। In some countries, fast food restaurants and supermarkets give money to schools to promote their products. Do you think this is a positive or negative development? People buy a product if it fulfills their needs. There is no need for advertisement. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement? Some people think that the government is wasting money on arts and that is money could be better spent elsewhere. To what extent do you agree with this view? Nowadays it is common for people to get married in their 30s rather than when they are younger. Do you agree or disagree that this trend will benefit society? Some people think that public libraries are not necessary, whereas others believe that they are essential for people. To what extent do you agree with this statement? Living on Earth become would difficult in the future, so more money should be spent on researching other planets to live like Mars. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Leisure is growing industry, but people no longer entertain themselves as much as they used to because the use of modern technology has made them less creative. Do you agree or disagree? Some people believe that the whole family, grandparents, uncles and aunts, bringing up children in better than only parents. What is your opinion? Today, more and more people using robots to do tasks at home. Do you think is positive or negative development and why? In some countries, few people earn extremely high salaries. Some people think that this is a good or for a country, while others believe that the government should control salaries and limit the amount people can earn. Discuss both views and give your opinion. It has been suggested that everyone in the world wants to own a car, a TV, a fridge. Do you think the advantages of a such development outweigh the advantages? Some people believe that the government should spend on a new public buildings such as libraries and museums rather than renovating old buildings. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Art is considered an essential part of all cultures throughout the world. However, these days fewer and fewer people appreciate arts and turn their focus on science, technology and business. Why do you think that is, and what could be done to encourage more people to take an interest in the arts? Human activities have negative effects on plants and animal species. Some people think that it is too late to do anything about this problem. Others believe that effective measures can be taken to improve this situation. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Today, more and more full-time university students focus on other activities rather than spend a lot of time on studying. Some people think that it is essential for university students to involve in other activities. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Discipline is an ever-increasing problem in the modern schools. Some people think that discipline should be the responsibility of teachers, while others think that it is the role of parents. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. In many workplaces, online communication is now more common than face-to-face meetings. Do the advantages of this trend outweigh the disadvantages? In many countries, plastic containers have become more common than ever and used by many food and drink companies. Do you think the advantages of outweigh the disadvantages? Rich countries often give financial aid to the poor countries, but it doesn't solve the poverty. So rich countries should give other type of help to the poor countries rather than the financial aid. To what extent do you agree or disagree? The most effective way to solve the traffic problem and transport problem in the cities is to discourage people from the suburbs or the countryside from moving to the cities. To what extent do you agree or disagree? These questions are for your practice purpose. Don't expect the same questions, but you will get one topic out from this. So practice with these same questions are more than ever enough.